أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله الصلاة والسلام عليك يا نبي الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا نور الله. Dear friends, today my topic is women's heaven and hell. First, fasting without the husband's permission. The authentic hadith about this topic, reported in Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim, states that a woman should not fast, referring to a voluntary fast without the permission of her husband if he is present. This is because it may interfere with the husband's marital rights, and mutual respect is emphasized in a marriage. The hadith is as follows: it is not permissible for a woman to fast while her husband is present, except with his permission. Second, not allowing someone into the house without the husband's approval. This also comes from an authentic hadith. A wife should be considerate of her husband's wishes regarding who enters their home out of respect for his household. The hadith states, a woman should not allow anyone to enter her husband's house except with his permission. Habiba was married with Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. She was daughter of Hazrat Abu Sufyan. One day his father Abu Sufyan came to Medina, so Abu Sufyan sits on the bed of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Then Habiba forbidden, so that Abu Sufyan could not sit on it, on which Abu Sufyan was angry that the daughter said, "It is my husband's bed." If a woman dies while her husband is pleased with her, she will enter paradise. This hadith emphasizes the importance of mutual respect and harmony in a marital relationship. However, it does not mean that a woman's sole path to paradise is through her husband. Both men and women are accountable for their deeds, and both have opportunities for reward based on their own faith and actions. The four people who will not be prevented from entering paradise. Number 1, serving one's parents with respect and kindness, as this is one of the highest forms of obedience in Islam. Second, providing lawful, halal sustenance to one's family, which is greatly rewarded by Allah. Third, charitable acts, sadaqah, which are encouraged as charity has immense rewards. A wife who maintains a good relationship with her husband, fulfilling her responsibilities in the marriage, is also a pathway to reward. It is confirmed that the paradise of a woman is also a man, and the dusk is also male. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabi Allah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Noor Allah.